So welcome back again. So, welcome back. Anyway, today we're gonna do a crack the pin password on Codewar kata in a difficult level of 6 skill. Okay, let's read some description here. Given a MD5 hash of 5 digits long, so that mean we probably have a 100,000, and it's given as a string. MD5 is a function to hash your password. So okay, let me explain this quite a bit. MD5 is a one way to hash your password, just to be to make sure that even your password is leaked and the hacker can do nothing about that when they can get access to the database because they don't have the hash key, because most of the time we store in hash key value, and then that we compare to our our database that show the real password, like a dictionary, I do believe. So let's say if you do this password 123, it's gonna generate this thing. So MD5 it's got the old hash way to do so, because we have, I'm not sure how that called, but we have a safer than MD5 at the current time, 2021, with the COVID-19 involved. So if you hash it, you can't unhash it. That is the question. So how are we gonna do that? So in order to crack the password, it's just like loop the thing. There's nothing fancy about that when it comes to crack the pin. But there's a way that you can do with the command password, and you compare that. You have a file to do so. But okay, let's get started. There's nothing to. So first thing first, we have to. I do believe it's fine. So make sure that we get the test cases. Let's see what they pin out. Okay, nice. Make sure that we get a 5 digits. Okay, we get some 0 in front here, so good to know that. Okay, let's do import a hash lib. Okay, that is gonna help us to create to generate a hash to compare with their hash with their hash, and if that found the thing, we're gonna return the real password. Nothing too fancy. Let's in range 100,000, right? 0, 5 zeros. Okay, good. And I was thinking to have a password here equal, it's gonna be a string. I'm gonna use f string here. So you can use a 0.few in Python, but I'm gonna go with a old fashion here. I believe it's I, so I put 0 and 5 digits. Okay, should be good to go. So you can just use this around. You're gonna have a string and 0.few, and you can passing that number. So this is gonna be a number of 0 that you want. Now we can compare it to the hash. So how to generate the hash? So we're gonna generate the hash in here. It's gonna be hash lib dot I believe MB5, and then we have a password. So it's gonna take as a string, and then get encoded, and then you're gonna convert that to hexim. I don't believe is it called hexim. Just not sure. Let's do some Google search here. Hash lib Python MB5. Okay, let's take some this thing. So it is called, okay, let's copy it to be fast here. Bam. And we're gonna compare to the hash. If it's the right thing, we're gonna return a password. And let's go. Is it module hash lib has no attribute to MD5? Okay, good to know that. So MD5, sorry, my bad. Okay, and it's passed. Okay, this is gonna be the fun part because you know how long it's gonna take. Let's see. Hopefully it's gonna pass the test case. Ah, okay, we did it. So it took like 4,000 milliseconds. That is slow as fuck. As slow as F, sorry. That's pretty much it. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you. If you find this useful, please consider subscribe.